Well, reiterating what Kamaka said, the National Weather Service says now is the time to prepare for the storm. Forecasters warn the heavy rain and strong winds could impact communities statewide. Nikki Schenfeld continues our coverage.
A powerful Kona storm is expected to move toward the state in the coming days, bringing the threats of widespread flooding and severe weather. Meteorologists say the system will bring unstable weather beginning Tuesday night.
This one is definitely going to be a record breaker. Which records it's going to break, we're still not sure, but yeah, at the end of the day, it'll definitely break some record rainfall totals.
The National Weather Service has already issued a hydrologic outlook for the state, something forecasters say only happens when widespread flooding is possible for multiple days. Take a look at this forecast.
Even once we start getting into these dark greens, like that's well more than enough moisture to really cause some flash flooding.
The red color is worse and shows heavy impacts Friday and Saturday.
2 weeks ago, we saw some very intense heavy rain over the Kolaus, whereas this event, it's going to be kind of more widespread, especially our main concerns are leeward areas, so areas that are typically dry. I think some very significant urban flooding.
The National Weather Service says reservoir levels here on Oahu are going to be a concern after the recent heavy rains, but really the biggest threat is going to be the potential for those severe thunderstorms.
Yeah, these thunderstorms will be capable of, producing hail, tornadoes, yeah, all of it. And to make it worse, I think the very tail end of the event looks like the strongest part of the event as well, so Friday into Saturday.
He says now is the time to prepare by clearing out gutters and making sure that drainage is clear.
Want to make sure everyone's prepared for this event. I know people are like, the Weather Service always hypes everything up, but I mean, this event is going to be a significant event, and yeah, I mean, at the end of it, this event, we'll all remember this event.
The National Weather Service says it will start briefings with county agencies on Monday, and they suggest people to sign up now for county emergency alerts. Reporting from Honolulu, Nikki Schenfeld, KH12 News, working for Hawaii.